In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted history on Google Chrome. If you've ever cleared your local browsing history and instantly regretted it, don't worry. There's a good chance your activity is still saved to your Google account. When Chrome Sync is turned on, your browsing data can be backed up to the cloud, which means you can often bring it back with just a few clicks. Start by opening any web browser and heading to myactivity.google.com. This is Google's central dashboard for the activity linked to your account. You may be asked to sign in. Make sure you're using the same account you use with Chrome, especially if you browse across multiple devices. Once you're in, you're looking at your cloud-synced activity, which can include searches, apps, YouTube, and most importantly for us, Chrome browsing history. To zero in on only the browsing you care about, click Filter by Date and Product near the top. In the list of Google products, check the box for Chrome, then hit Apply. This instantly hides everything else and shows only items tied to your Chrome activity. If you remember roughly when you visited a page, you can also adjust the date range here to narrow the results further. You'll now see a clean timeline of sites you visited, listed by date and time, even if you previously deleted them from Chrome on your device. Scroll through the days to jog your memory, or jump straight to the search bar at the top if you know a keyword, a site name, or part of a page title. Searching here can be a huge time saver when you're looking for one specific article, form, or resource. When you spot the entry you need, just click it to go right back to that website. It opens like normal, and you can continue where you left off. If you prefer to keep your results page visible, open the link in a new tab so you can return and grab more entries without losing your place. It's essentially like your history never left, only now it's safely retrieved from the cloud. If you don't see what you expect, a few possibilities. Chrome Sync might have been turned off, the data might have been auto-deleted based on your account settings, or the activity happened in incognito, which isn't saved. Otherwise, this method restores what you need quickly and securely. History recovered from the cloud. You're all set. Done.